Hello friends, welcome to the another video in our note series. Today we will learn read and write file note. So here on the left hand side you see how these notes look like. I have already prepared a flow where I am reading and writing a file. So first let's understand the read file note. In this you have to mention the path of the file you want to read, out format that you want, and on encoding you can select which we generally set as default. So in this first flow, I have mentioned the path where I am reading a document file from my C drive. I have mentioned the path and I want the output in a stream of buffer format. So when I will inject, I will get the data in my debug. Later, I can convert this buffer into the data format which I want further for my file. So this is how the read file node works. Similarly, the write file node, here also you should mention the path where you want to write your file, and there are actions where you can append the file, overwrite file, or delete the file. And if you mention a path where directory or folder is not created, if you take this, folder will also be created. And encoding you can select, but as default we keep it default. So here you can create file of PDF, Excel, SQL, images. Here I have taken an example of PDF. So I have to use the HTML to PDF node because I am writing code of HTML here. There are other ways to create PDF, but this is the easiest way. So in function node, you can see I have written heading 1, which is this is my PDF. And you should always write the main content of the file in message.payload. Payload is the data which flows through your nodes, which flows from here to here. So what may be my payload will be written in my document or PDF. So when I inject, and I have also mentioned the path, and you should also mention the name of your PDF, the name of your document, and the extension, the type, what you want here. So when I inject, you can see that in my downloads there is no ABC PDF. When I will inject, it will be saved. Now you see there is abc.pdf. So here this is my PDF. There is another method where you can mention the file path. So in the change node, just paste this, but use the another object of file. Sorry, message, that is message.filename. Paste this and choose here message.filename. So here you can change the path also by editing the message.filename, which you can do using the function node, which we'll see later. Now it will work also similar. Just you need to deploy and inject. So file has been read. So this is how the read and write file works, and we'll meet you in the next video with a new node. Thank you.